Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change system navigation on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Let's begin! As you can see, I am currently using 3-button navigation, so let's change that into gesture navigation. First, let's go into the settings. Then, we want to scroll down a little and click Gestures. In here we have on-screen gestures, and we want to click the very first option called System Navigation. And in here we can switch from 3-button navigation to gesture navigation. And if you are unsure how to use it, we can go and see how it works. And we have a little tutorial. We can get started. And as you can see, this is how we get home. Like that. Amazing. And of course, this tutorial works for you can just easily do that. And if you don't really like using gestures, though I do think they are pretty helpful and pretty handy, you can always switch back to 3-button navigation without any issues. And additionally, if you want to use circle to search, then you want to simply press and hold that little bar, and now you can circle something and search it, just like that. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!